I'm Paul Perkins with the check of ag weather. Westerly downslope winds off a reach of high pressure keep our highs tomorrow in the upper 50s to the mid 60s. On the backside of low pressure over central Canada, northwest winds increase with most gusts to 30 late tonight through Thursday. Sprinkles and light rain are possible tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night with the passage of a cold front. As temperatures fall tomorrow night, light snow or flurries could mix in, but no accumulations or impacts are expected. Highs Wednesday are seasonal in the upper 30s to the mid 40s. Ahead of the next cold front, highs on Thursday rebound into the 50s. That cold front dropping our highs into the mid 30s to the low 40s on Friday. Northwest winds even stronger on Friday with gusts of 45 to 55. Snow showers are possible Friday into Saturday, but any accumulation should be minimal. Highs on Saturday mostly in the 30s, but southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas expected to top out in the low to mid 40s. Widespread highs in the 40s return for Sunday, even as warm as the low to mid 50s from west central Nebraska to northwest Kansas. After we saw a trend to cooler temperatures in last week's long-term forecast, there's now a milder and drier outlook. Nebraska and Kansas temperatures this weekend through January 25th now likely to be mostly warmer than normal. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation is likely to be below normal this weekend through January 25th, especially this weekend through early next week. Key weather factors impacting the markets include several shots of cold air and precipitation for the eastern U.S., harsh cold air in the Black Sea region, and dry areas in Argentina. Dry weather and above normal temperatures cover the western and most of the central U.S. the rest of the week. Across the eastern half of the U.S., a complex weather system organizes, leading to light or moderately heavy precipitation. The most significant snow should fall on Thursday across the central and northern Appalachians. At times, heavy snow may also blanket portions of the Great Lakes region. Midweek rain across the south is mostly light. More shots of cold air and snow move across the northern and eastern U.S. during the early and middle parts of next week. Up and down temperatures are expected with the harshest cold across the eastern U.S. and milder air in the central and western U.S. In the central and southern plains, winter wheat has unusually low cold hardiness after several weeks of mild air, and cold air may be more threatening by the end of next week. Mississippi River water levels are getting a boost from rain late last week, but are still low. Light precipitation this week not likely to provide a meaningful boost to water levels on the Mississippi. For Brazil, widespread rain this past weekend in the south continues over south central areas the next couple of days. Central Brazil should see increasing rainfall this week, a benefit for filling soybeans and helpful in overcoming recent dryness and heat stress. Southern and central Argentina continue to get much drier with dropping soil moisture and crop conditions. Only spotty rain remains in the forecast for southern Argentina through the next week as conditions continue to decline. Northern Argentina, though, is likely to remain in better shape with more consistent rains. Overseas in the Black Sea region, cold air moves from Ukraine to western Russia this week. Winter kill is possible in the eastern Black Sea region as the cold air sticks around through next week in areas with limited snow cover. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.